Today I'm going to show you guys how to rotate a video from the portrait mode to a landscape mode. For example, sometimes when you receive these videos from a friend, they can be in this portrait mode because simply they forgot to orient it in the right orientation. They probably had it pointing up as this way. That's why it appears like so instead of in a landscape mode. So the first thing you want to do is go to the effects control. Make sure that video timeline is highlighted and rotate it to, I believe it would be 270 degrees. See, this is the orientation that I want, but notice the top and bottom bars, black bar, because it's not filling it properly. So you want to go to sequence settings. By the way, this is a 4K video, and it looks like it reverted to switch the frame positioning. So you simply enter it the right resolution, so you 3040 and then 2160 for the vertical, and okay, and there you have it. Once I confirm that this is the orientation that I want, let me add the remaining videos to the timeline. Okay. But it looks like you still have to do some editing. So simply rotate it to the orientation. Maybe I can highlight all three. Let me test this out. You can't do them all at once, so you have to do them individually because it doesn't understand what you want. You can't have a multitask. So 270, see? And then 270, and then 270, and that's how you change the orientation of your videos from vertical to horizontal.